Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover another kind of phrase, that is a gerund phrase. There is a separate playlist of phrases in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available right in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. Before moving on to explain what a gerund phrase is, let me first explain you what are gerunds. So basically it is a verb, okay? So a gerund is a verb that is used as a noun, is called a gerund, okay? So it looks like verb, okay? A gerund is basically a non-finite verb. It looks like verb but it functions as a noun, right? So gerunds can be used as a subject in the sentences because they are nouns. We know that a noun functions as a subject and object in the sentences, so it functions as a subject and object in the sentences. And it is basically, the structure of a gerund is, it is formed by adding ing to the root form of the verb or the base form of the verb. For example, if you add dance, if you combine dance plus ing, it will result in dancing, cooking, swimming, etc. So now there will be confusion that you will be confused how to recognize between a continuous tense and how to basically differentiate between a continuous tense and gerund. So therefore a continuous tense, regardless of past, present, future, will always have a helping verb. Is swimming, are swimming, have been swimming, right? So these are the proper verbs, okay, as a part of tenses, okay. They are telling the name of the action, right? But then when the ing form of the verbs are used without the helping verb, like just dancing, cooking, swimming, it is basically naming an action, and that's where we recognize a gerund, because it is without a helping verb. Let us have a look at some example of gerunds. The first one is walking is good for health. So in this example the word walking is a gerund because it is naming an activity, and therefore it is looking as a verb but is a noun in reality and is used as a subject in the sentence. The next example is children enjoy dancing. So here dancing is that noun, okay, it is used as an object in a sentence and is a gerund actually. I hope you understood what a gerund is. Now let us proceed towards a gerund phrase. So a gerund phrase begins with a gerund, that is the ing form of a verb, okay, but it functions as a noun and it acts as a noun. A noun can be the subject or the object of the verb or the object of the preposition. So therefore a group of words which is acting as a gerund phrase can be positioned as the subject of the verb or the object of the verb, or it can also act as the object of the preposition also. So therefore gerund phrase is such a group of words which starts with the gerund. Now what is a gerund? Gerund is formed by adding ing to the root form of verb, but actually it is a non-finite verb which is used without the helping verb individually, like swimming, eating, dancing, without the helping verb, and it functions, it acts as a noun in the sentence, and it can be positioned as the subject in the sentence, subject of the verb, object of the verb, and therefore it can also act as the object of the preposition. Let us have a look at some examples. The first example is learning for life should be a basic human endeavor. Learning for life should be a basic human endeavor. So here the group of words learning for life is a gerund phrase. It is starting with a gerund learning. Learning is a name of an action, so therefore it is a noun, okay. So learning for life is a gerund phrase and acting as the subject in the sentence. Next is he is known for speaking the truth. He is known for speaking the truth. So therefore, if you notice here, for is a preposition, and right after that, speaking the truth is a gerund phrase, because this is acting as the object of the preposition for. Speaking is the name of an action, it is a gerund. So speaking the truth. The next and the last example is Team India gave their opponents a drubbing to remember. Team India gave their opponents a drubbing to remember. So here the group of words a drubbing to remember is a gerund phrase, okay, and it is acting as the object of the verb, right? So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please consider sharing with your friends and family, and all the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box. So keep learning and keep growing.